Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Is your baby girl Glory. Compliment of the season to you all. I wish you guys happy holidays and lovely days. On today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make avocado oil in your house, okay, and also how to make it more effective and to help to grow your hair. This avocado oil will promote longer healthy hair growth, will help to control your frizz and help you for length retention. So if you want to know how to make this amazing oil, and also this oil will also moisturize your hair very well, okay. So if you want to know how to prepare this amazing avocado oil, please keep on watching. Do not skip any part of this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. To prepare this amazing oil, this is my bowl and this is my avocado. These are the two avocado I'll be making use of. They have ripe very well, okay. For making oil with avocado, you need avocado that have ripe very well so that it can get a good oil out of it, okay. So I've cut my avocado into half. I'm going to remove the seed and the skin, okay. So avocado help a lot in your hair growth journey. Avocado is a very good oil, whether you make it at home or you buy avocado oil. But you know, avocado oil is very expensive out there, so making avocado oil at home, it save you a lot of coins, it save you a lot of money, okay. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to make this avocado oil for massive crazy hair growth. And also avocado oil is very good in moisturizing your hair. So I always scoop out my avocado into a bowl. As you can see, they have ripe very well, almost getting to spoil, as you can see, okay. But your own no need to be ripe like this extent of getting to spoil, okay. So this is my avocado. Next thing, I'm going to transfer it into my blender. But if you don't have blender, please, you can use your fork or your spoon to match it. It will only take you a while, okay. Use your fork or your spoon to match it very well, okay. Next thing, now transfer in my elixir oil, my extra virgin olive oil. In aspect of oil, use any oil of your choice, okay. I'm going to blend this off camera. After blending it, this is what I got so far. This is the avocado I've got so far. Do you see how thickness it is? Because I did not add too much oil. So I bring my bowl to transfer my avocado oil. So it can make avocado at this point. This avocado I'm using is very big. It can make a large quantity of oil through this avocado, okay. But I'm not making too much oil because I don't have enough oil at home. If you have enough oil, please pour much oil, okay, for you to get a good large quantity of avocado oil. If you are using the same measurement of avocado I'm using, whether you are using 1 or 2 or 3 avocado, please, if you have enough oil, pour enough oil on it so that you can have the opportunity and get more larger quantity of avocado oil. So I'm going to transfer in my gloves, okay. I put in some pieces, like 20 to 25 pieces of gloves, and also a little pinch of rosemary. This will make this more effectively, but it's an optional, okay. If you have it, you can make use of it, but if you don't have it, you can just make your pure avocado oil. I just choose to use this little grows and the rosemary to make it more powerful and more effective, okay. So after then, I mix it very well and transfer it to my water or boiling, okay. I'm going to infuse this by double boiling method. Another, again, there's 2 ways to infuse this oil. Some infuse it direct heat, some infuse it double boiling method. So I choose to do double boiling method. But let me tell you the secrets out there. Using double boiling method to fuse your avocado oil will take you very long time. I will not lie to you, it will take you very long time to get this avocado oil ready, okay. But if you are using direct heat, it will not take you that long time, okay. So at this moment, my avocado oil is ready. As you can see, when are you going to know when it's ready? If you are using double boiling method, the avocado will no longer stick at your spoon, okay. If you put your spoon on it, it no longer stick at your spoon. You know that it's ready, okay. The same thing if you are using direct heat, the avocado will not stick at at your spoon, you know that this avocado is ready. And also avocado will change in color also. This is another way for you to know that the avocado is ready. And thirdly, the oil will start floating on top. That's another way again you know that your avocado oil is ready. So next thing now, I'm bringing my bowl and my shifter to collect my avocado oil. So in this case, you need a very tiny hole to collect this oil. Okay, so I'm using shifter. As you can see, the shifter was also, when I was pressing it to get the oil, the residues of the avocado still enter into the oil. So I'm going to use my shift cloth now to extract it more, to collect the pure avocado oil. So I would advise you to use threads of your shift cloth. No need of you going through this stress, using your shifter and also using your shift cloths. So use your shift cloth directly, or your wig cap or your stockings, whatever that have very tiny hole, use it and straight your oil. Okay, it's going to make you have pure avocado oil without having any residues on it. Guys, this avocado oil is bomb. It's very easy to prepare, but the oil is very effective. Like as I said before, if you have more larger oil, please use this opportunity and have enough oil of avocado. So I don't have larger oil, like as I said before, that's why I make this little batch. Okay, next I'll be making avocado. I will make a very large quantity of avocado oil that will last me very long time, because avocado is very good in our hair. Okay, so this is the oil. I've transferred it into my container. This is the amount of avocado oil I able to extract. Guys, this oil is magic. This oil will grow your hair like crazy. This oil will thicken up your hair, keep your hair very long time moisturized. Let's talk about the benefit of avocado. Avocado is a natural moisturizer, prevent hair loss and promote longer healthy hair growth, help to strengthen hair. Also, it acts as natural sunscreen for hair and help protect hair in the sun, and also help to reduce frizziness. Guys, this oil, you don't need to joke with avocado oil. Please, avocado oil is very effective. If you do not add it to rosemary and cloves, you can also use it on your skin. Okay, so if you want me to make on how to use it on your skin, please let me know. Okay, so I'm going to rub this on my hand. Do you see how this avocado oil penetrate into my skin? The same way you penetrate into my skin, that the same way going to penetrate on your scalp and also on the strand of your hair. This avocado oil is very moisturizing. It will deeply moisturize your hair, also repair your hair. Okay, this avocado oil is very powerful in promoting your hair growth, thickening up your hair, also leaving your hair healthy and shiny. Honestly, don't need to joke with this avocado oil. Please prepare it at home, and that's why I added a little cloves and rosemary. You know, so cloves and rosemary also have a good property of growing your hair, stimulating blood flow to your scalp. Okay, but like as I said earlier, is an option. Okay, if you choose, you can add them. If you don't choose, just make your avocado oil. I hope you enjoy watching this video the same way I enjoy filming this video. Please, if you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button. It really encourages me to put out more good content, and also it helps the growth of the channel. It helps YouTube to put this video to more audience. Thank you so much for supporting me. And also, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to join this beautiful family. You're not going to regret it. Okay, in this channel I teach how to grow your hair healthy, longer and fuller with home remedies. Okay, and share this video to your loved ones, your family and friends. You're going to help them a lot. Okay, let them get the good news on how to use this avocado to grow longer healthy hair growth without breaking the bank. Okay, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for sharing, for liking and for subscribing. So guys, I hope this video is very helpful to you. This is where I'll be closing today's video. Okay, let me know what you think in today's video in comment section below. I would like to know your opinion. Have you tried avocado oil before? And I hope you are going to try this one if you have not tried before. And also, if you have tried avocado oil before, have you tried this method before? Let me know in comment section below. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. Remain blessed out there. Merry Christmas to you all. Happy holidays and happy celebration. See you guys on my next video. Bye.